So you have launched your fashion or creative brand, cosmetic brand, or products that you're ready to go with on the market and establish your brand. This video is a simple hack to skyrocket your sales without selling on other platforms such as Etsy. Why shouldn't you sell on Etsy? I will give you 3 hacks to position your brand as a leader in the market and get consistent sales from your marketing efforts. Let's dive in. First of all, you need to establish a brand. Remember, people don't buy products, they buy brands and the feeling of belonging to the values that the brand provides. What are the main principles of a successful brand? First of all, you need to have an audience, then best-selling products, mission and vision that speaks to your audience, and brand identity, which goes through the message, the tone, the voice of the brand, and image. You can establish your brand in just 2 years if you work on your brand identity in advance, building your social presence, and your digital assets such as a website and emailing list. Okay, it's not a quick hack, but if you start today, I guarantee you that you will build a valuable brand for people who become your followers and fans. A valuable brand knows which audience they target exactly and how to speak to them. So, how to start building your brand? Start with an understanding of your ideal client and competitors' benchmark. Your competitors will have your customers already. Identify appeals that will drive your customer to your website on a repeated basis. Make yourself visible to those type of people. You can go to meet them personally, attend events when they hang out, speak to them, go to the Facebook group, dedicated Instagram or TikTok accounts, and connect to them digitally. Listen to what they have to say, understand their vision, thoughts, feelings about fashion and what you sell, and meet them where they are. Don't try to sell them something that they don't consider, but instead position yourself in the box that they consider as valuable. For instance, let me give an example. If you sell vegan bags, you won't try to explain them that the vegan is better than animal leather. You will position yourself as a high-end luxury bag brand that is built for daily life and lasts forever without harming animals. The box you want to enter is a practical, accessible luxury bag, not a vegan bag. Otherwise, you'll need to educate first, and it takes time to develop your brand. You sell first and then you educate. This is how you can guarantee that your brand persists and accomplish its mission. Second, you need to have customer testimonials or proofs. We live in a world where your customer is the one who decides which brand to shop from. It's not about the press anymore, no fashion magazines or television. You need to understand that the customer is the one who will take the decision, the research, talk to peers, and they see what others say. Amazon is a perfect example, as it has built for us this transparency where people read the opinions of others. We go to booking.com or TripAdvisor and read testimonials to take our decision. On social media, it's the same. Honesty and transparency is what people value today. You don't have other choices than to establish your brand authority through your customers' testimonials or user-generated content. In fact, a video filmed by your customer or a user who tested your product is more valuable than what the press says about you. You need to have a consistent flow of those testimonials through your website, on your product page, as well on your social media through user-generated content. By putting consistency in place in that area, you will be able to build a positive feedback loop. The more testimonials you get, the more people will trust you and buy from you. And finally, you need to find your best sellers and make them permanent. How many designers I see out there who don't know what is their best product and what they sell most? They don't know who is their customer and what would be the absolute winner for them if they go online with this product. When you identify your winner, you can create an evergreen product that drives traffic, revenue, and repeat customers. Your winner can create a reputation for your brand, and you can put in place a repeated scheme of sales on a daily basis. When you are out of stock on your winners, this is where sales stop. Whatever you try to launch after and the winner is not in stock, you lose potential sales every day. So you need to have a structure of your product offering and collections where you have 20% of winners, which will drive 80% of revenue, and the rest would be other products and new drops. Testing your drops to find the next winner is a regular process that you need to put in place. and help you grow digitally. In fact, you don't create collections each season, you will drop out new piece every 1 or 2 months and you will see what works and what doesn't. Having this regular feedback loop about your products and immediate market reaction will help you to have a better sales consistently. Hope you like this video, and if you have more questions that you would like me to answer, please comment below. According to your comments, I can work on specific videos to tell you more about your fashion brand and the development online. Hope you guys value this video, and to go further into the Etsy subject, I have a video for you, which is why Etsy couldn't be your priority number 1 in 2023, which I invite you to watch right now to go deeper into the subject, and see you there.